Hey guys, Jeff at Big Iron Auto Shop here again. Just doing a quick introduction to the 101 series of videos that I'll be doing. Starting out with the LS Vortec Maintenance 101 stuff. So if you've changed spark plugs, changed oil, swapped motors, these videos aren't going to be very fun to you. By all means, feel free to watch them for comedic relief, because I'm sure that I will come back to these videos in a couple years and laugh at how terrible that they are, with one angle video shots and the terrible production as I'm learning through these things. But hopefully that gets better quickly as I start to do more of this. But everybody's got to start somewhere. So I hope that these videos help someone. If it helps one person, then it's definitely worth it. And if you're that one person, keep at it. So don't care if people say, hey, you don't know what you're doing or whatever. You got to do things to learn. I remember going to my granddad, asking him, and embarrassed asking him how to change oil in my car for the first time, because I had no idea. But I was tired of taking it somewhere and then screwing it up, something so basic that I knew I could do myself. But I had to ask to do that to be able to learn. So by all means, there's stuff in here that I'll probably get wrong, but just going through things and learn as you go. And if I do make those mistakes, feel free to call me out. I don't mind eating some humble pie every now and then and learning myself. So definitely on these 101 series, I hope to help some people. If there's anything basic like that you have, feel free to message me and I'll make a video on it. If there's not anybody that you feel comfortable going to learn that kind of stuff from, I don't mind making that video. So hopefully this helps somebody out. And anything else you guys want to see, just let me know. Thanks.